Hello guys, good morning. These are my wake up skincare products. So I have here Cetaphil facial cleansing morning and night gentle skin cleanser, Neutrogena fine fairness toner, one of my favorite toner. We also have Laneige, Shiseido cream, and last but not least, the Vaseline Lip Therapy. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, I always make my morning skincare ritual relaxing and rewarding. So first, I'll damp my face with some water. Guys, I personally love this Cetaphil cleanser because since I have an oily skin type, Cetaphil cleanser is good for oily skin and even for dry skin or acne prone skin. And what I really like about this cleanser is that it offers full line of cleanser that are safe for daily skincare, and it also leaves my skin feel soft, cleaned, and healthy, and effective yet gentle. So I will be using this W Elite facial cleansing brush. So it has a light, soft brush head for cleaning and exfoliating. It also helps in deep cleansing pores. You can actually adjust the speed setting to high or low depends on how your skin tolerates. Move the rotating bristles in upward circular strokes with very light pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. And I usually use this facial brush 2 times a week because using it daily might be too harsh for my skin. So right after, I'm gonna rinse my skin with warm water and then pat dry with towel. So the next step is the Neutrogena toner. Get some cotton pads and put some amount needed. I love Neutrogena products because it works well on my skin. I also use Neutrogena cleanser, but for now I just use the Cetaphil. So my skin type is oily, and so this toner is suitable for oily and sensitive skin. It makes my skin brighter and clearer, and it provides deep hydration. My skin feels so soft and moisturized after using. It's totally fine to extend our facial care just a touch further to our neck. Laneige Skin Refiner Moisture is a 2-in-1 product that is like an entire bottle of moisturizer melted down into a toner, but I use this as a moisturizer after using toner. So it is recommended also for oily and combination skin. It balances the moisture level in the skin and keep it healthy. So the next is Shiseido Sculpting Lift Cream. So just a pea-size amount of this cream because it feels so heavy on my skin. This Shiseido Sculpting Lift Cream actually prevents saggy and puffy skin. That's the reason I use this, because my skin for the whole week looks like it's sagging and puffy skin. So this cream fits in because it is a multifunctional cream that firms, tightens, and reduces dark spot, brightens skin tone, to a more sculpted and youthful look. So what I use on my lips is this Vaseline Rosy Lip Therapy. It adds a pretty color to my lips that looks very natural, and it does have a nice scent. And the texture is a little thin. It instantly softens and helps repair, relieves dry and dull chapped lips. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.